Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC Terra Classic. This coin since past 3 days have continued to drop in terms of market cap and price. And as of today, Terra Classic over $288 million has been pulled out of Terra Classic market cap. Now we are dropping almost below $800 million. Well, I believe that. And this started mostly after the burning of Terra, after Binance burned about 8.5 billion coins. Whenever there is a burn, it always helps push that particular coin. Okay, but this time around, Terra Classic didn't really push higher. And when we take a look at statistics, of course, Terra Classic is now losing almost 6% in the past 2 weeks. And I believe, of course, where this is crypto industry, you can't just be going up and up. Even BTC, you see sometimes it goes up and comes down. But for Terra Classic, I think this is the right time that the founder, the developers need to look well, need to plan well on how to get this coin back again. $288 million is not a small amount of money, because to gain such amount of money is not easy. To get people putting in almost $300 million is not easy. You're talking about almost $300 million. And if this continues throughout the end of this week, then this Terra Classic market cap might be dropping down to about $600 million, which is not really good for Terra Classic. But I believe that everything is still fine. We'll keep hoping to see this coin recover very soon. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.